Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw very simple pixel art picture. This is Hello Kitty drawing and I need only 3 felt pens, black, red and yellow. Firstly, I take black felt pen and I start my drawing from the bottom part of the picture. At the center I should color in 10 boxes horizontally. Here go diagonally to the left and color in 2 boxes horizontally. Go diagonally to the left, color in 1 box. Go diagonally to the left, color in 6 boxes vertically up. Go diagonally to the right and color in 1 box. Go diagonally to the left and color in 4 boxes up. Turn to the right, color in 3 boxes horizontally here. Go diagonally to the right and down and color in 5 boxes to the right. Now from this box, go diagonally to the right, color in 2 boxes horizontally. 1 box diagonally to the right. Go diagonally to the right, color in 6 boxes up. Turn to the left diagonally, color in 1 box. Turn to the right diagonally and color in 4 boxes vertically. From this box, go to the left, color in 3 boxes to the left. From this box, skip 1 box to the left and color in 4 boxes to the left horizontally. Here go up and color in 3 boxes vertically. 1 box to the left here. And here 1 box up. Now here vertically we should color 3 boxes by black. Skip 1 box to the left, color in 3 boxes vertically. Here 1 box and here 1 box. From this box, skip 1 box to the left, color in 2 boxes vertically. Here turn to the left, color in 3 boxes horizontally to the left. 3 boxes down here. And 1 box here. From this box, skip 3 boxes up and color in 2 boxes vertically. And from this box, skip 3 boxes up and color in 2 boxes vertically. From this 1 box, skip 1 box up, color in 1 box here. Skip 1 box up, color in 1 box here. Now from this box, go to the left, color in 1 box here. And skip 1 box down, color in 1 box here. From this box, skip 1 box up, color in 1 box. One more time, skip one box and color in one box here. Go to the right, color in one box here. And skip one box down, color in one box here by black. Now I take yellow felt pen. From this box, skip 3 boxes to the left and go down, and here color in 2 boxes horizontally. Now I take red felt pen and color in these boxes by red. That's all. I finished my pixel art drawing, and as you see, it's very simple, very easy and very small Hello Kitty picture. If you liked my idea and this video, please give me likes under the video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.